Welcome to day 2 of the Salcombe Merlin Rocket Week in the afternoon, and we're in for an exciting start. Lots of things are happening this afternoon. The wind is really strong and the tide is falling, and so that means there is wind against tide at the moment, and the fleet has been reduced to about 30 out of the 50 boats. 20 boats have probably decided very wisely not even to attempt to sail. So we're coming up towards the start and boats are in line. They're being swept down by the tide, so hopefully there won't be a general recall. And they're away. Great looking start with all the boats on starboard tack, and I think they've laid a mark which is not as far as the normal Blackstone mark in order to keep clear of the considerable waves that are present at Blackstone at the moment. Difficult to see if anybody's got any particular advantage. The whole estuary can be used, of course, as the boats aren't sailing against the tide. It's looking good at present, and I haven't seen any capsizes yet, but this race is going to play out certainly on the run in terms of survival, and so you will have to watch carefully for the photographs and for the final results in order to find out who has survived this exciting experience.